kahin na kahin deep down I feel it's a huge responsibility like on my shoulders for being the first entrepreneur in my family that
Mm-hmm.
I need to excel in this.
वहाँ पे जाना and वहाँ पे होना was like a big flex, to be honest, and it was like कि see I did it.
I never imagined myself starting my own thing ever.
I don't think I can do it alone.
Okay, so we have never done this before. This is like our first ever podcast style conversation. But today we are going to dive deep into our thoughts, and we are kind of going to go back to when maybe we were in the culinary school or when we were working in Michelin starred restaurants, to the part where now we are in the chaos of launching our own startup. So this is for anyone who's trying to build something or just trying to figure out themselves.
I wanted to understand why are you building this and why, how did your previous journey shaped up what you're doing right now?
Previous journey in terms of like when I was in the US.
नहीं मतलब previous journey can be anything, like it can be related to when you were going to college
Right.
या फिर when you were in the culinary school, was this something that you had in your mind that you will build this in the future, मतलब कि
No. So, like, funny enough, I actually never even thought that I'm ever going to do business. मतलब मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था क्योंकि मेरी फैमिली में ही like you know नहीं है any nobody is doing any business.
right.
So in that sense of me doing a business or like even when I was doing my graduation or when I was in the culinary school, I never imagined myself starting my own thing ever.
Hmm.
But then once I started working in the restaurants and I started to understand, तब धीरे धीरे थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगा कि हाँ मे बी like you know one day I'll start my own restaurant, but never had I ever thought that I'll start like a D2C brand
Hmm. Sure.
in that sense.
Hmm.
Because kabhi like if you say that lineage या फिर क्या होता है pedigree.
Hmm.
Pedigree was never in the business. It was always in engineering
Hmm. That is
and
right.
job.
Hmm.
So ये भी ऐसे ये step लेना भी is like a very big deal for me and of course मेरी family भी.
For sure. But what do you think about being the first entrepreneur in your family?
It's exhilarating and it's almost like it's a huge responsibility on my shoulders as well. मतलब उसके excitement है and I'm so glad and I'm grateful to my parents कि मतलब कि you know when I just told them कि मैं ये करना चाहती हूँ they were all in for it but kahin na kahin deep down I feel it's a huge responsibility like on my shoulders for being the first entrepreneur in my family that
Mm-hmm.
I need to excel in this.
Yeah. Yeah. You have to set a benchmark,
Yeah,
obviously.
like I need to, and also it's almost like that I'm breaking
Barriers.
uh, like the monotony in my family
Hmm.
कि हो गई जॉब एंड इफ लाइक एनीवन एल्स लाइक जैसे कि मेरा भाई है if he wants to do something of his own so he also has that kind of confidence
Right.
कि
If she can do it, so can I.
yeah in that sense as well and also कि हाँ मुझे जॉब नहीं करनी क्योंकि मेरे घर में सब जॉब ही कर रहे हैं
बिल्कुल.
in that sense
Right.
तो it's almost like feeling कि मैंने वो बैरियर ही ब्रेक कर दिया है
For sure.
and so it is a huge responsibility on my part also that I need to excel in this.
Yeah. But
But
then,
I'm not going into a negative sense
right. But
of
then you're
that.
like the outcast now,
हाँ मतलब कि
per
अब
se.
हाँ मतलब कि like
You're not
अब
one of, you're not like the rest of them anymore.
yeah.
You're like an
No, I know.
outlier.
Yeah, like I know that a lot of people in my family would think I am the black sheep, yeah,
Hmm.
whatever. But then I'm okay with it, and if I don't really care about the rest of like you know the family and stuff, it's just कि I'm grateful to my parents that they let me also
Explore.
explore my options. Like even after graduation, अगर मुझे culinary school जाना था ना, if I wanted to continue something in which I am passionate about, they let me, they gave me that freedom to even go and explore myself, because a
Right.
lot of people don't get that chance to even
Especially in
explore
India.
themselves.
Especially in India, like the other day when we were having a conversation with a French friend of
Yeah,
ours,
yeah,
quick
yeah. I
explaining it to
remember.
her was relatively.
It's always a there's always a complexity, I would say, to explain our culture or like our family dynamics, what happens in
In
India
India.
to anyone who is living outside.
Yeah, not living outside, rather a foreign entity, या
Yeah,
फिर
foreign. Yeah,
yeah,
a
like a
foreigner.
foreigner or
Like I
like a
won't even.
white person or a person who is not raised in our country. उसके
Right,
लिए to understand this is extremely difficult because वो
right.
different culture से आ रहे हैं उनके अंदर it's really different.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so now should I ask you a question? Okay. So let's just go back a bit and let's go to the time when you were in your school, in your culinary school, in your pastry school, and then a little fast forwarding to France. Did you think that this was it? That, like, this is like now what I'm doing is that's it.
हाँ, उस moment में yes, I thought कि this was it because वहाँ पहुँचना भी was a big deal.
Right.
है ना? Given the whole hospitality scenario जो इंडिया में है, it is not the best. It is not the top notch in terms of career. मतलब कि in terms of people who are working in hospitality
Right.
in India especially. तो उस time पे getting to France was like a great deal.
Hmm.
It was something ki, see, I did it. I moved out
Hmm.
from the whole Indian scenario.
Hmm.
And even in my batch, जो जितने मतलब कि two batches एक साथ run हो रहे हैं, दोनों में
Right.
20-25 people are enrolled, and उन
Right.
लोगों के लिए they were all still here, and I was the only one who went abroad, who
Right.
actually got something in another country, and
Yeah.
also got to explore what hospitality जहाँ से originate हुआ है basically, या
Right.
फिर experiencing the Michelin grind, या फिर being a part of a Michelin restaurant, because इंडिया में Michelin का कोई concept नहीं है. तो वहाँ पे जाना and वहाँ पे होना was like a big flex, to be honest, and it was like कि see, I did it.
Yeah.
I already got out from the whole Indian hospitality scenario,
Yeah.
which is obviously not the best.
Yeah.
तो उस टाइम पे लगा कि yeah, this was it for sure. कि इसके आगे obviously I thought कि I'll just get into probably another restaurant which is better, or probably in a restaurant which is in a bigger city, say Lyon
Right.
या Paris या कहीं पे भी. And वो एक greater deal होती है obviously मेरे लिए. And उस टाइम पे भी I was looking on a hunt for like a better deal.
Right.
But yeah, that was it at that moment. Mind was not mature enough to think कि और इसके आगे भी क्या हो सकता है.
Right. हाँ हाँ हाँ. मतलब उस टाइम पे तो यही हमने, मतलब कि उस टाइम पे you were also like
Starting out.
exploring your own options
Yep.
की. But did you ever feel like that you'll like not reaching the US, but like you'll reach at a stage in your career where you'll actually be the pastry chef? Because of course when you're like starting out, and Indian hospitality में तो हमने देखा है कि there's a huge ladder जिस पे आपको climb करना होता है. But like कभी like when you were working in the kitchen, did you realize कि आप इतने like within a span of like 3-4 years only you'll actually get to head the pastry department of a Michelin starred kitchen?
No, never. मेरे को बल्कि मैंने तो अपने लिए बेंचमार्क ये सेट करा था कि अगर मैं सिर्फ sous chef भी बन जाऊंगा, that is the point, I'll quit the job and I will start something of my own.
Right.
मतलब मेरे दिमाग में ये थॉट था कि पेस्ट्री शेफ तो पता नहीं कब बनेंगे, तो अगर sous chef भी बन गए तो that is the moment I'll leave the job and I'll start off thinking, या फिर I'll sous chef बनने के बाद I'll start thinking कि अब मैं अपना क्या कर सकता हूँ, and that will be like the it moment कि
Right.
ये मेरा हो चुका है.
That you've done it.
हाँ, I've done it, and अब मैं अपना कुछ ओपन करूंगा, probably like a
Right.
restaurant, maybe like a patisserie, bakery, boulangerie, confectionery, कुछ भी ऐसा.
Right. Right, right, right. Nice. So then if we now just jump onto the part where we decided to now come back to India. So how did it feel to go from being so good at what we did to being beginners again?
I don't have a straight answer for this, to be honest, because har cheez you're starting from the beginning and then you are excelling. So it will be
Yeah.
like we'll even have a moment with what we are doing right now and probably just making it up.
Mhm.
If this company gets acquired or if this company gets really huge
Right,
and like a bigger giant wants to absorb it,
right,
उस moment में भी तो it will be like the same for us कि अब हम क्या करें,
right.
है ना? उसके
हाँ,
उस moment में भी you would be always thinking कि what is the next step, what is the next big thing that I can do, or
right,
what would not even a big thing, मतलब कि what will be the next scenario for myself, you
right.
know, मतलब कि it will not be obviously we are doing this for the long haul
Hmm.
at the moment, but then this was the same thought when we were doing what we were doing in the previous life.
Right,
तो इस टर्म्स में मुझे लगता है कि starting anew is always um, it is a very personal experience,
right. Hmm.
and you always learn so much.
Right.
Same goes for the previous being in the hospitality,
Hmm.
now doing our own startup in the health
Hmm.
and wellness space.
Hmm.
It is always a fresh experience. There are so many things. Even coming from a family who has always been into business, like
Right.
चाचा मामा अंकल ताया
हाँ,
सब
हाँ.
कुछ वो यही करते हैं, मतलब they have their own things and they're all settled down.
Yeah. So
And
you always knew that you are going to start your own business.
I I always had a feeling.
Yeah.
I always had a feeling कि obviously I wanted to collect or wanted to have the real experience for working for somebody, because that is only when you are like really ready to start something of your own. मुझे ये लगता
Hmm. Hmm.
है. And उस moment में you learn so much. You learn to work for someone else.
हाँ.
And उसके बाद ही आप when you have the responsibility of employing somebody, you're responsible in so many manners, and that is
Yeah.
how when the tables have turned, you know how to govern yourself, or you know
Hmm.
how to tackle uh, like an employee's
Right.
thing. मतलब कि
Right. Right. Right.
I don't know how to put it into words, but then it is more like कि when you're on the other side of the table, things are different.
हाँ, of course. ये तो बात है ही. ये
Yeah,
तो हर I think ये हर इंडस्ट्री
yeah.
का
So
ही
हमें
give
जब
and
तक हम
take.
लोग उस position में नहीं है, हमें नहीं पता, because we're thinking like an employee.
Right.
But when we are an employer, we have to think about so many things. There are like
Right.
way too many variables. But when you're an employee,
You just have
you just
to.
have to keep your head down. आपको अपना 9 to
Right.
5 या फिर 7 to 3 या कुछ भी आपको अपनी 8 or 10 hour job करनी है.
Right.
And उसके बाद you can go home, and all you need to just think about is like what your 2 day tasks are.
Right.
Daily tasks आपके क्या हैं. That's it.
Right.
And that was for like us as well. हम लोग मतलब besides when we were on the managerial roles, तब things were like pretty different.
Hmm.
But when you were just working under your boss
Yeah.
or under your department's head, you had like set tasks. वो
Yeah.
आपको करनी है and service करनी है, घर आ
Right.
जाना and then sleep and then do it again.
Right. Yeah.
So that is what my 2 cents are on this.
Nice. But is there a part of you that still misses that certainty of a paycheck and like or like of being a good pastry chef? जैसे कि अब तो there is no paycheck, but तब उस time पे like because we had a job, of course हमें पता था कि every month we are going to earn something.
A
तो हम
reward.
a reward, yeah, exactly, for working for a month. So is there a part of you that still misses that?
Uh, I don't know if missing it is the right term. Missing तो right term नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से.
Okay.
But मुझे लगता है कि it gives you comfort. It is like that. And also then when you have reckoning amount of income, you have reckoning amount of spends as well.
Yeah.
कि आपके पास supposedly $5,000 आपको आया. है ना 15 दिन में, और उसके बाद यूर लाइक कि ओ अब मैं ये कुछ खरीद लेता हूँ, यू एंड अप स्पेंडिंग दैट मनी, and that is like 95% of the economy they end up spending it, and a small amount of that is merely saved. तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं वो comfort, yes I do miss it, but the thing is कि you really need, like this is what I read, कि you really need to be a lunatic to really believe in the business that you are doing,
Right.
and for that, and hoping that that would pay you enough to sustain the life that you have.
Right.
So
I think that really resonates.
हाँ resonate, I don't know resonate कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा, but it is more like कि you really need to be crazy enough to believe that it will pay for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
तो वही सिनारियो है अभी, मतलब that
So
is what I'm feeling.
that means you're crazy enough for salts.
हाँ for sure, मतलब कि we are building this, and so much energy has been poured into this. Not that I'm saying कि बाकी चीजों में नहीं होती,
Right.
but we mean to make it big.
Right. Yeah.
That is what I'm thinking
Yeah.
about.
So then do you think that in this journey of yours, having a co-founder helps?
I really think कि किसी भी journey में, not just business, you need an ally, you need someone that you can rely on, and you need, because when we look at a coin, it has two sides to it.
Right.
दोनों कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक साइड पे ब्लैंक है. तो आई फील कि these are two people, two sides of the same coin, and tackling and battling for the same reason. तो आई रियली फील कि co-founder या फिर partner या कुछ भी आपके पास, a person who you can rely on, who has your back, you need it.
Right.
Because even in our case, if I think about कि अगर मेरे को ये अकेले करना होएगा, I don't think I can do it alone. To be honest.
Yeah.
Day one पे I think किसी को भी लग सकता है कि मैं अकेले सब कर सकता हूँ. But when you see and the things evolve and then things grow,
Right.
you cannot do it alone. You need somebody.
Right.
And that somebody cannot be just anybody.
Right. हाँ मतलब of course, because being a co-founder or like that's a huge responsibility. It's like 50-50%. Because even अगर उसका एक half, like एक 50% अगर sink हो गया, तो आप आधे हिस्से के साथ क्या करोगे? Right?
Sure. It's like Titanic.
Yeah. So then in that sense, what do you think that we as co-founders do well, and what is the part where we really suck at?
I think the part that I am good at, you are not the best at it. And the part that you are good at, I am not the best at it. So we know what our roles are at the moment. Obviously, the things and responsibility would grow. But जिस चीज में you are good, मैं उस चीज में lack करता हूँ. Simply. So.
No, but then in that sense, like as a team, is there something that we lack as a team?
No, I don't think we lack at anything at the moment. In the future, I don't know what the challenges are, but अभी जितना भी हम लोग कर रहे हैं, we are doing our best.
Right.
And I don't think कि हम लोग किसी भी सिनारियो में lack कर रहे हैं.
Right.
हम लोग ये है कि I feel कि we could amp up things a little, मतलब हम थोड़ी चीजें fast भी कर सकते हैं, but then a lot of things we are dependent on. So even if we try to rush them, वो variables are there which really you're attached to, and वो आपको थोड़ा slow down कर रहे हैं.
Right.
ये मुझे बस एक चीज लगती है, but otherwise we are fine.
हाँ, ये चीज मुझे भी कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि in a lot of stuff on, especially on the execution part of it.
आप mentally execute कर सकते हो.
हाँ, मतलब be it at any stage, be it जब हम sampling कर रहे थे या हम अपनी brand identity create कर रहे थे, जब जो भी वो part था, मुझे हर एक स्टेज पे कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगा है कि yes, our execution could have been a better like at a better pace.
So
But
वही है ना
then
कि first time है ना सब कुछ.
हाँ मतलब again like I just cut that slack on myself कि this is for the first time.
Yeah, but then
And
that's how they say
also
ना कि build fast, break fast. But then I
हाँ but
think this
then
comes from the person who has done it at least twice or maybe
right
more.
right
First time में people just take it to their heart. मेरे को लगता है कि when they
हाँ
read such things or when they come across such motivational or
quotes or
या मतलब
something
motivational नहीं
yeah
मतलब quotes ये लोग पढ़ते हैं लोगों के जो
yeah
लोगों
yeah
ने ये
yeah
सब चीजें लिखी but they don't realize that वो जो बंदा ये quote लिख रहा है वो अपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में ये चीज नहीं बोल रहा है वो
exactly
अपनी 2 3 4 5 अटेम्प्ट्स करने के बाद he has realized that
hmm.
because you realize and you conclude with experience.
Exactly
You
yeah
don't conclude on the first day.
yeah
Ab we would have 10 things to say 3 4 years down the line कि this is how you should do it.
right
But वो day one पे हमें नहीं पता होगी ये चीज़.
right
Signing off. We'll see you in our next